So I have severe arthritis. I've had it since birth. The arthritis had reached a point where I was barely able to walk. Since the surgery, I, from a recovery standpoint, was back at work with no cane, no walker, no assistance in less than 3 weeks. I'm able to walk again without a limp and without pain. In fact, 3 days ago I walked a 5K. When I relocated down to Florida and my hip was acting up, I did my own research online as well as through my medical provider in terms of were there preferred or recommended individuals, and Jewett came to the top of the list. I was really impressed, particularly with Dr. Rust. I had been to other doctors whom you would probably spend 2 minutes with the doctor and the rest of the time was other people on their staff. With Dr. Rust, he spent the time with me, wanted to know my history, the pain, as well as explaining a variety of options. Everyone on the staff that I've been interfaced with has, at least to me, felt like they were fully vested in who I was, what my recovery needed to be, and what my needs were. And they were very attentive and patient and answered my questions in details to where I felt not just comfortable, but empowered in terms of what I needed to do to get back on my feet.